Alright everybody, today we're going to be doing a little unboxing for the Yocan Cylo. Taking that little sleeve off, got a nice display box here. So right in the front here we have a little metal tool. Then we got your charger over here, some cleaning Q-tips, secondary charger, and some little silica packs just to keep everything fresh. Now over in this corner we do have an extra atomizer as well as our device with an atomizer inside. So just going off the bat, right here you have your charging port, plus or minus buttons, your select button. Up here we have a magnetic mouthpiece that you just pull it off. You got your atomizer underneath. That guy is going to be a 510 thread. Just screw her off to check the connections. Get it rocking back in. Now with most Yocan devices, you know it's just that simple. 5 clicks on. It has a nice introductory screen right there. Now in order to heat that guy, you got it on already, but you need to decide how much time you want it on. So 3 clicks, click time, and then use your plus or minus buttons to let you know how long you want that atomizer heated. When you have it selected, just go ahead and give her a click. This guy, you can also, with that 3 clicks, you have your minus button to put that guy down. Back to that screen, go down to lamp mode, selector. Now you have a whole bunch of different colorways here. So this color mode at the bottom is going to give you just a little bit of a light in the corner. It's kind of like the ghost or no light mode. Then you got your normal mode, which is going to give you a little bit of a light when the battery is on but not in use. Then you have lyric mode. That guy is going to give you lights that kind of pulsate through the color cycle. And then that first one, the dynamic featuring one, it will have all 7 colors and it'll be a gradual transition from each color to the next. But yeah, you got this guy, you got your time selected. I want 34 seconds. And then to heat that guy, it's just gonna go 2 clicks. And now you can see the lights on the side kind of cycling through all the colors there. You want to turn it off, cancel that heat mode. Another 2 clicks. And yeah, other than that, she seems like a pretty nice device. Nice and new. Hope you get to check her out. Gonna give her a nice turn her off. She says take care. How sweet.